يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده. Please, what I have to say here is that this is Nassarawa State, and Nassarawa State is well known to be the state that PDP have governed and have acquired and have covered for all this while democratically. However, somehow, mischievously, we lost out both at the national level and the state level. Nevertheless, the time has come. The people of Nassarawa State have decided, just like always, that the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria can only be well managed by His Excellency Atiku Abubakar. Believing the situation we have today in the country, we realize that we need somebody whom we all believe and can trust, that we can all rely on, that there will be peace, there will be unity, there will be harmony and development in this country. Therefore, let me say that collectively, unanimously, the elders and leaders of Nassarawa State have committed themselves without reservation that Atiku Abubakar, just like always, have never lost election in Nassarawa State. We equally not lost today. We welcome you on behalf of our elders, on behalf of the youths, on behalf of the women of Nassarawa State. We welcome you to Nassarawa State, and I want to say thank you to all the leaders of Nassarawa State PDP who have done so much to keep the party alive today. Thank you. God bless you.
Your Excellency, former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, our President-to-be, Your Excellency, Honorable David Ombugadu, our Governor-to-be in Nassarawa State, leaders of our party, the Chairman Campaign Council, Wali Jibril, distinguished PDP members from Nassarawa State, Assalamu alaikum. I want anyone that came to Nassarawa State to note that the people you see here have been put together in 48 hours. 48 hours. And this crowd was put forward in 48 hours. I want to assure PDP that since 1999, PDP has never failed election in Nassarawa State. In 2015, even when they canceled 79,000 votes, PDP won here. In 2019, Atiku won in Nassarawa State. And in 2023, the presidency, PDP will win. The governorship, PDP will win. All our senators in Nassarawa State will be PDP. All our House of Reps will be PDP. House of Assembly will be PDP. We want to beat Adamawa in the next election. I want Waziri to know that Nassarawa State will beat Adamawa State. I want the chairman of the party to know who will beat Benue. This is PDP State, Nassarawa State. We want to thank everybody for coming. Please guard your votes. We learned that they are buying tickets to make sure we don't win. I want everybody to report to their polling units. On election day, Nassarawa State, as we have seen today, will win for PDP from the national down to House of Assembly and from House of Assembly to the President. PDP! PDP!
Thank you very much. PDP! Tunda na bar mukami na National Board of Trustees na party na dawo Nassarawa domin mu tabbatar cewa Atiku Abubakar ya zama shugaban Najeriya. President of Najeriya. Kuna so Atiku Abubakar? Kuna so Atiku Abubakar? Sannan
PDP! PDP! I want to sincerely appreciate and welcome articulated President of Nigeria, articulated Vice President of Nigeria, articulated National Chairman of PDP in Nigeria, articulated NWC members. You're all welcome to Palapala, Nassarawa State. I want to sincerely appreciate all the members of articulated team for coming to Nassarawa State. You are Palapala welcome. You are Mewonka welcome. Youth! 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 Mata! Mata! Sincerely, I want you to give a round of applause to welcome our President, the President of Nigeria. And I want to use this opportunity to present some facts about Nassarawa State. Like the case of Osun State, Your Excellency, I want to plead on behalf of the people of Nassarawa State that we have similarity with Osun State. They have recovered their mandate. It is the turn of Nassarawa State people to also recover their mandate in 2023. Are we ready? Are we ready?
This park is packed full. We want to hear Nassarawa everywhere, in US, in UK, in Canada. PDP! I think the youths are many here, and the students are many here. Greatest Nigerian students! PDP! Thank you. Your Excellency, our own candidate, the most resourceful, the most intelligent, the man with the highest capacity, the man with depth, the man with knowledge, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Let me join with him, his vice presidential candidate, my brother governor from Delta, our party chairman, our DG, and all the party stakeholders. There are many governors who are here with us, former governors, Senate presidents, so many of them. But let me rest on the already established protocol. Today, we are here in Nassarawa State. This is where the train had brought us to today. First of all, that's why I had to first of all acknowledge the women, the youths, the elders, the stakeholders in Nassarawa today. The kind of crowd, the kind of reception, the kind of joy we are seeing in Nassarawa State today means that Nassarawa is PDP, and PDP is Nassarawa I'm convinced that when it's time to announce the result of Nassarawa will be announced first, as PDP has won Nassarawa before any other state. Do you agree with me? We look vote for Atiku Abubakar. We look vote for PDP. PDP 5/5. Let me tell you, there's a belief now, because PDP is the only party that has something as a social contract with the youth. So we're advising you it's no more 5/5, but 6/6. You vote for the president, vote for the senator, vote for the House of Rep member, vote for the House of Assembly, vote for the governorship, and then you vote for yourself. You do what? You vote for yourself. That makes it 6/6. Let me tell you something. It's enough that every now and then, Nassarawa State will be producing raw materials in agri form. Other places will go and establish factories somewhere else to process your raw materials. I want to assure you, under the leadership of Atiku Abubakar as the president, what you produce in Nassarawa, people will build factory here and process it. Nobody will come and take your agri-produce to go and build factory anywhere. Are you not deserving of working in a factory here? Which president will do that for you? Which party? I don't know how many of you listened to him yesterday on TV. If Nigerians were to vote yesterday, who do you think would have won the presidential election? Yesterday. Could any party would have had any other vote? Nigerians fell in love with him yesterday. When they listened to him, they listened to his knowledge, his understanding. There's what we call understanding the critical success factor of the economy of Nigeria. Who is the candidate that possesses that right now? Who is the candidate? Which party? Which party? How many of you will vote for PDP? How many of you will vote for PDP? PDP! PDP!
Looking from this vantage position, I can see the great number of youths who have come to be part of this rally. And I'm convinced in me that we already have a date with February 25, 2023. Because Nassarawa State is set to win elections and to God be the glory. The PDP has done us well by giving us a good product. And when you have a good product, it is not difficult to sell that product. And that product that the PDP has given to us is Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. It's one man who is prepared, experienced, and ready to work with all Nigerians to turn things around for the good of our youth, for the good of our women, and for the good of the entire country. We cannot miss this opportunity again. We cannot miss this opportunity again. That is the best product that Nigeria has. We know that we have 18 political parties, but it's the only one that stands out with the necessary experience to turn Nigeria all around for the good of all Nigerians. We want a Nigeria that works for each and every one of us. The Nigeria that will work for our youth. The Nigeria that will provide jobs for our youth. The Nigeria that will encourage industries. The Nigeria that will encourage our women by supporting them to be able to have the family business that will enable them to take care of their families. The Nigeria that will support our men. And together, we are able to say, yes, this is the Nigeria of our dream. And that is what Atiku stands for. When he comes here, he's going to tell you what he has in store for you. I know that as Bantura candidate, a very young man has made a lot of requests. I know what Atiku Abubakar can do. And I thank God that I have been nominated as his running mate, because I know that he's a good man. I know that he's somebody who can turn Nigeria all around for the good of each and every one of you. You must trust him, but you must go out there to work and deliver the votes on February 25, 2023. And then it will be good for us all. It will be good for our youth. because we ensure that you are able to go to school and that you are able to graduate. And then when you graduate, you are able to start a business or get an employment with a company. And that is what we stand for. Our youth can never go hungry again. And our mothers will never go hungry again. God bless Nassarawa State. God bless the leadership here. God bless the great youth of Nassarawa State. God bless the women. PDP! PDP!
Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my brother, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, we are only waiting to swear him in. Mr. Vice President, Oko Anakowa, again, he will be sworn in next year. We don't want to keep you in the sun for a long time. We thank you for coming, to come and listen to us and vote for us and make sure that we return this country for the better. I don't need to come here and campaign because the whole of North Central, where I come from, is not going to disgrace me. Every state in North Central is going to be won by the People's Democratic Party. Atiku Abubakar will get his highest vote from the North Central zone. And luckily for us, this place we are standing in Lafia is the political capital of North Central. And therefore, I expect Nassarawa State to take #1. Maku was right when he said they will even vote more than Benue. That is the kind of competition there is in North Central. Nassarawa State will give Atiku Abubakar 95% of the vote. Will you not do so? Will you not do so? Especially as everybody who was in the other party is coming back to the PDP. Nassarawa State, when we started this journey in 1998, was a PDP state. The current chairman of APC, Abdullahi Adamu, PDP made him. Without PDP, there would have been no Abdullahi Adamu. Is it not so? So Nassarawa State is not a party for any other place. We saw that everybody who is in another party has come back to PDP. And that is why it is my pleasure today to raise the hands of 3 prominent members of our party, because they have already joined our party. 3 of them are representing over hundreds of thousands of other people who have returned to the PDP. I want you to encourage those who are still not sure what they are doing to come back to the winning party, because this trend is moving. The trend is here today. Is an opportunity for all of them to come back to the PDP. I first raise the hand of our honorable. Do you receive him? Yes. Are you happy he's back? Yes. With all his supporters? Yes. Thank you, and God bless the PDP. Where is Hadia? Where is Hadia? Okay, Hadia is in the crowd. We will receive him. All right. So, by the power conferred on me as the chairman of this great party nationwide and worldwide, it is my singular honor and pleasure to hand over this great symbol of victory to our governorship candidate, Honorable Ombugadu. David Ombugadu, the next governor of Nassarawa State, and when you vote, we are waiting for
With your phone, make you feel better. Where they come, make it run like the right place. When it to the president, and it for Ombugadu, is our money. Now you know who you go for. Our current president, Atiku for president, Atiku the unifier. One nation for Nigeria. Atiku for president, Atiku the unifier. One nation for Nigeria. Atiku for president, Atiku the unifier. One nation for Nigeria. Take a stand now for a better tomorrow. Economic will be good again. Leadership for justice and fairness for us.
The National Association of Nigerian Students, North Central Zone, represented by the chairman and the coordinator of NANS in North Central Zone. They had their meeting and they have collectively, as all students, all students in the North Central Zone have endorsed Atiku Abubakar as their presidential candidate. So I call on Comrade Ebo Paul Gabriel to present the endorsement to our presidential candidate. Thank you.
I want to learn. I want to talk. I want to Imagana. I want to Soro. I want to Kela. I want to articulate. Your Excellency, our presidential candidate come 2023, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, Waziri Adamawa. Indeed, it's a great privilege and honor standing before you to endorse you. Sir, it is very important to also know that we are here courtesy of the former Speaker, Yakubu Dogara, who is our patron. He has been our pillar, he has been our father, who has been supporting us all to date. Sir, at this junction, I want to say that enough of ASU strike, enough of unemployment in Nigeria, enough of we being staying at home for longer period. Having said that, sir, we also want to intimate you that after this endorsement, we will be going to campuses by campuses, state by state, because you agree with me, every institution have a polling unit. We will make sure that all those votes in the polling unit and beyond are for PDP. As such, we want to assure you that as the union leaders, we will stand by you through the thick and thin. We will follow you to the news and crying of Nigeria, the length and breadth, to make sure that PDP becomes victorious come 2023. Having said that, I want to formally present to you the certificate of endorsement from National Association of Nigerian Students, North Central Region. On behalf of National Association of Nigerian Students, North Central Zone, I present to you certificate of endorsement. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, clap for Atiku. Nigerian students, clap for Atiku. Greatest Gbagba. Ladies and gentlemen, the masses, Atiku Abubakar.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. PDP! 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 Banjiba mutanen Nassarawa. PDP! Nassarawa fa! Nassarawa fa! Waye gwamnanku? Waye gwamnanku? To, jama'an Nassarawa, muna gode muku kwarai da gaske da wannan tarya, da wannan karbuwa, da wannan goyon baya, da wannan kauna da aka nuna mana yau. Muna gode muku kwarai da gaske. Kuma dama mun sani Nassarawa state ne na PDP. Ko ba haka ba? Dama mun sani Nassarawa state din PDP ce. To kar ku yadda wannan karon a karbe muku jiyarku. Kun yadda? Kun dauki alkawari? Kun dauki alkawari? To mu kuma mun dauki alkawari duk abin da muka zana muku zamu yi in Allah ya yarda. Musamman matasa, musamman mata, muna da shirye-shirye wanda za a baku ayyuka da kuma jari domin ku yi sana'o'in da kuke bukata, domin yawan talaucin din ya ishe mu. Shi ya za na ɗauki alkawari za mu fidda makudan kuɗi dala 10,000 miliyan domin mu tabbatar da matasa da mata sun samu ayyukan yi. Kun yarda APC ba za su yi muku wannan ba, mayaudara ne kuma magaryata ne. Don haka jama'an Nassarawa, hanyoyin da kuke bukata kuma mun dauki alkawari za mu yi su idan kun ba mu cikakken goyon bayan ku. Amma ku tabbata kun kawo mana Nassarawa a aljihu. Kun yadda an dauki alkawari? To idan an dauki alkawari mu daga hannayen mu gani. Masha Allah. Allah ya taimake mu, Allah ya ba mu nasara.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I want you to just give me a minute or two so that I can use this opportunity to thank the people of Nassarawa for this wonderful support. I also want to use this opportunity to reiterate our commitment to making sure that our young men and women have jobs to do and have work to do when we come into office. That is why we set aside $10 billion so that we can pump this money into small, medium enterprises for our young men and women. Let me also announce that we will link up
Nassarawa with all other neighboring states as far as our road infrastructure is concerned. Having said that, I want you people to make sure that we win this state this time around. Do you promise? Do you promise? Can I see your hands up? God bless you all. God bless you. I love you all. Thank you very much.
I get by road.